At age 43, Elon Musk birthed autonomous driving and
Tesla is
SolarCity.
just on the cutting edge of an idea. Autonomous driving is born.
So for us, being a little startup, we had to start off with a car that was in low production and necessarily expensive.
Their idea of an electric car is something that doesn't look good, isn't fast, doesn't have high performance. We wanted to break the mold of all of that. That's what we sought to achieve.
Saving time for important things. Saving time for stuff that is fun. Well, it is fun to drive a Tesla. But on an endless motorway, even riding gets tiring. It's human. We're bored very soon. Let the car drive and get some food for the brain while it does the work. And last but not least, fuel it with energy that is not harmful to the planet.